How to fix the Instagram you cannot send message problem. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're facing this issue on Instagram, here are some of the possible solutions you have to look for. For the step 1, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. For step 2, update the Instagram app. For this, open Play Store, search for Instagram and tap on update button if it's available. Step 3. You'll have to clear the cache and data. For this, long press the Instagram app, go to the storage and clear cache and then clear the data. If this does not work, you'll have to restart the app and your device, which will sometimes easily fix the issue and lag. However, another solution could be checking the Instagram server status. Sometimes the problem could be because of the server or the server side of Instagram. Make sure you reinstall the app once and which should fix the issue. The major thing that you need to look for is that you're not blocked by the person you're trying to message. If they have blocked you, you might not be able to send the message. However, if this is not the case and none of the solution work, you'll have to contact the Instagram support team for the further assistance. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.